Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sum a negative number within a column or within a record where we have both positive and negative. I'm going to use different methods for this problem. And if you look at the case before us here, you can see that I have the cost of the production and I also have the revenue generated from the output or from the sales. Now, you look at this, you can see that we have 30 US dollar or any denomination, currency denomination here. And I also have the revenue, which is 50 US dollar. If we deduct this normally our profit is total revenue minus total cost. Okay, by implication we can say that when we deduct cost from revenue, then we get this 20 US dollar, and if you deduct this cost from revenue, we have negative, which is loss. And what we want to do here is that I want to solve all the negative so that we can know the total loss that we made together in this business. How are we going to do that? Let's start from this first method. Just need to say equal to. I will make use of sum so that you can see that sum is not used for only a summation of our information. It can be used for many other tricks. Okay, by implication, we can say that sum is versatile function in Microsoft Excel. Now, we just need to make reference to all this, but before I do that, okay, let me do it this way, but I have to put all this in parentheses as well. Let me put them in parentheses because I want to do some kind of multiplication. Now I will now say multiply by itself. Okay, we multiply it by itself like this, make reference to all of this. But what I need here is anything that is less than 0. And what is less than 0? That is a negative. Less than 0, you put it this way, and you close this, and you close this parenthesis, you press enter button. You can see that we have minus 45 US dollar. That is the loss that we made from this business. Okay, that is the total loss. And if you look at it manually, you can see minus 10, minus 15, that is minus 25, minus 20, that is minus 45. Okay, if you change any of these, okay, let me change this, let me change this cost to something of 75 nature. Let's see what will happen. 75. You can see that the result has changed to minus 55. Okay, you can see the loss has increased. And what is the other method that we can use to solve this problem? Okay, let's move here. You can also make use of sum product instead of that sum and multiplication sign inside the formula. Okay, you can just say sum product like this. Then what is our first array? You make reference to all this guy, okay, command. Then the second guy as well, you make reference to it like this. You make reference to it like this. Okay, then you will not also say less than 0. Okay, but this is not going to give me the result as the first one. The first one is simpler. Okay, let's close this. You can see I have it as 0. The reason why I have this as 0 is that I have to convert this guy, okay, to value. This second guy, some product will not see it as a value, see it as a text. As a result of that, you can use this two dash to convert anything to value. Okay, then you put this inside the bracket like this. Let me put it inside the bracket. Okay, and you press enter button. Can you see that I have the same result as the first one? You can look at this formula and you look at this formula, it's giving me the same solution. Now another method you can still use if you don't want to use these two methods, okay, is you can make use of sum if. Okay, I want to sum based on particular condition. Sum if, okay, what is the range? This is my range. You make reference to all this guy, comma, what is criteria? My criteria is anything that is less than 0, but don't forget to put this in quotation. Okay, it's like string. If you don't put it inside the quotation like this, it's not going to give you any result. Then comma again, what is the sum range? I want you to sum all the negative here, and I press enter button. You can see I have the same result irrespective of any methods that any method that you use. Now another method, let me add this for you so that you can see that Excel can do it for you. It depends on how you can handle it and how you can think about that. Okay, let me also do it this way. I just need to come here. Okay, okay, let me do it in front. Okay, it will occupy it. Equal to, then I will filter. I will filter. This is another trick, filter. Then this is the array I want to filter. You make reference to all this guy. Okay, you say command, that is the column I want my result from. Then you also make reference to this guy. Okay, and what I need here is that anything that is less than 0, I need anything that's less than 0. You close it, you press enter button. You can see that I have all of them. I have all of them, -10, -25, and -20. And if we add them together, then what is the trick we are going to use here? I'm just going to nest the sum here, that you sum everything for me here. Sum them, sum, and you close this like this and you press enter button. You can see I've used 4 methods now, and each of these methods gives us the same result. And if anything change again, okay, if anything change again, it's still going to give you that result. Let me change this 50 to 60, okay, so that the loss will increase by 10. Let me change it to 60. You will see that all of them will change. You can see that irrespective of any method that you use here, we got the same result, and this implies that Excel is highly powerful. As I said, it depends on how you can think about it, and once you can think about it, then Excel can do it for you. Or if you want to do for positive, you want to know the profit that you made, is simple. Instead of that less than 0, we just change it the otherwise and change it to greater than 0. Anything that is greater than 0, that is profit, is positive. By implication, you can just edit your of this any of this formula and you have the result for the total profit. I hope that you have learned two or more things from this video. If you do so and you have not subscribed to YouTube channel, and therefore that you do that, that is only price you can pay for all this knowledge. Till next time we meet, hi, may Ibrahim Baba today for data tech analytics. Bye for now.